We're here with Jim Cramer on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Jim Cramer back from his honeymoon in Italy. Welcome back. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Our first question on Joy Global. Should I initiate a position in my dividend income portfolio here, or are China and coal headwinds still too strong?
China and coal headwinds are too strong. That's a really smart question. And the answer is that you can't do it because of those two problems.
Now, Corey asks, with Huntsman, ticker HUN, under $15, it seems like it might be worth picking some up.
My suggestion is to follow ActionAlertsPlus.com. We're buying Dow. Why? Because the Dow buyback is going to begin in 3 weeks. I think it's going to be the biggest buyback on the New York Stock Exchange.
Now, Jim Perry asks, millennials are generally opting out of stocks, sticking with cash. How would you advise a millennial?
All right, I think millennials have to wait till the Fed. If the Fed does the wrong thing, you're going to be able to get, if you can get a 500-point decline in the Dow, if you can get a big pullback in the S&P, millennials need to come in when the S&P 500 is got a 15 PE. Right now it's 17. And then I just think you just start buying, put a quarter of the money to work. I think that's what you have to do.
So Victor asks, what Internet of Things IoT companies look promising to you?
Okay, this is a really important point because I think Cisco is the lowest valuation I've seen in a long time. This is Chuck Robbins. I'll be speaking to him later this week. Now, the one problem is that tech is bad. All tech is bad, and Cisco's caught up in that maelstrom. But the Internet of Things, that's Cisco's bailiwick.
Now, Bob Marin is saying he's about to retire. He has 50% in cash, and he plans to move 30% of that 50 into a large cap index fund. How do I move into it? Should I do 5% every week, or should I do it all at once? He's planning to start next week.
No, don't do it all at once. Do what I do. I try to put a little money to work each month, unless the market is down 10%. And then you'd be able to put, say, like a quarter all at once. But no, you can't. I'd rather spread it out because nobody's that good to try to call a bottom.